Good morning, students. Today, through these slides, we will learn some important topic of this chapter, Forest and Wildlife Resources. And for your kind information, this chapter is only for periodic assessment. It will not be evaluated in board examination. And periodic assessment will be based on multiple strategies like poster making, PowerPoint presentation, pen paper test, collage making, and group discussion, etc. Let's start this lesson. The first heading is flora and fauna. As you know, flora means species of plants and fauna means species of animals. India is one of the richest countries in terms of biological diversity. Diverse resources are so well integrated in our daily life that we take these for granted. IUCN, it means International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, and it has categorized plants and animals species in order of existence like this: normal species, endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, endemic species, and extinct species. First is normal species. Species whose population levels are normal for their survival, यानी इनकी संख्या normal है, ना कम ना ज़्यादा. Example, dog and cattle. Second one, endangered species. It means species which are in danger of getting vanished, यानी जो खतरे में हैं और धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रही हैं. Example, rhinoceros, crocodile and tiger. Third is vulnerable species. Species whose population has declined to level from where it is likely to move to endangered category. It means जो धीरे धीरे कम हो गए हैं, जिनकी संख्या बहुत कम हो गई है और वो खतरे की कैटेगरी में मूव करते जा रहे हैं. Example, blue sheep and Asiatic elephant. Rare species, species which may move to endangered or vulnerable category if the negative factors continue to affect them. It means इनकी जो संख्या है वो vulnerable species से थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है और ये धीरे धीरे endangered यानी vulnerable category की तरफ मूव करने वाले हैं. अगर इसी तरह से जो नेगेटिव फैक्टर जिनकी कारण इनकी संख्या कम हो रही है वो कंटिन्यू रहे वो नेगेटिव फैक्टर, तो ये बहुत जल्दी वल्नरेबल कैटेगरी में आ जाएंगे. एग्जाम्पल थे इसके डेजर्ट फॉक्स एंड हॉर्नबिल. नेक्स्ट, एंडेमिक स्पीसीज, स्पीसीज विच आर ओनली फाउंड इन सम पर्टिकुलर एरियाज लाइक अंडमान टील, अंडमान वाइल्ड पिग एंड निकोबार पिजन. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीसीज, species which are no more, which are not found after searches. It means जो खत्म हो चुके हैं अब ढूंढने से भी नहीं मिलेंगे, like dinosaurs and pink-head duck. Impact of human beings in transforming the nature. Impact of human beings in transforming the nature into a storehouse of forest and animal resources such as wood, leaves and dyes on one hand, and here milk, heat, animals used in agricultural and transport activities. One of the historical factors causing damage to our forest resources was during British time when they started expanding commercial agriculture, mining to exploit human resources. It continued even after independence. Next heading is conservation of forest and wildlife in India. इसमें सबसे वन इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोग्राम आता है गवर्नमेंट का, द वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted for protection of plants and animal species. Second wind program is Project Tiger, is a tiger conservation program launched in 1972 by the government of India during Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's tenure. उस वक्त प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन था? इंदिरा गांधी. And the project aims at ensuring a viable population of Bengal tigers in their natural habitats and also to protect them from extinction. Next heading is the Chipko movement. In the 1970s, an organized resistance to the restriction of forest spread throughout India and came to be known as Chipko movement. The name of the movement comes from the word embrace. It means किसी को hug करना, गले लगाना, as the villagers hugged the trees and prevented the contractors from felling them. Next heading, Sacred Groves. Sacred groves of India are forest fragments of varying sizes which are communally protected and which usually have a significant religious connotation for the protection community. Hunting and logging are usually strictly prohibited within these patches. Hunting मतलब आप जानते हैं शिकार करना, और logging लकड़ियों का जो व्यापार चलता है उसे लॉगिंग कहते हैं, वो अब स्ट्रिक्टली मना कर दिए गए. अच्छा, कैन यू टेल मी द सैक्रेड ग्रोव्स? इट मीन्स सैक्रेड ट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया लाइक पीपल, बैनियन ट्रीज, जिनको हम पूजते हैं. ओके, नाउ चैप्टर इज फिनिश्ड एंड आफ्टर दिस चैप्टर आपको एक एक्टिविटी दी जाएगी. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज़ फॉर पीरियोडिकल असेसमेंट आप उसको ज़रूर करिएगा. थैंक यू. टिल देन स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.